Hey, good morning. It is Monday the 14th, and so we've got 3 days left of the quarter to turn in all missing work. We are still going to do work after that date, but this is to turn in all late work. So if you have anything with a 0 in the grade book or anything you haven't done, you have till the end of the day, Wednesday. So today, tomorrow, and the next day. So make sure you get everything turned in. Today we're going to do IXL D4, which covers the first three that were all about text structure. And in this one, you're going to have to pick out which text structure is used. So remember, that was compare and contrast, how they're like, how they're different. That was cause and effect, which is because of this happens. And then problem solution, well, there is a problem, and this is how it's going to be solved, which is a solution. For social studies, you have a Google slide posted. So you click on the pencil and click on the A to type in there. Do not write with the pencil on this. You need to click on the A. You're going to pick 4 of the prophets that are listed, and I've given you the page number and the direction. You're going to pick 4 that you would like to find out more about. In the chart in the book, it gives you 1 fact about them, so you can use that, and I told you how to restate that. It's on the directions. And so you can use their teaching, that's 1, but you need to find out 3 more facts. Do not include when they were born, when they died, who they were married to, how many kids they had, their kids' names. Do not include that. This is about them being a prophet. So make sure you pick out information that goes along with that. You can Google each one to find out. You might Google Israel prophets for kids. Sometimes if you put 4 kids, then you come up with things that are a little bit easier to read. Okay, and that's what we're doing today, so I hope you have a good day. Use this time to get caught up if you're a little bit behind, and let me know if you have questions by emailing me. Okay? All right, bye.